Hello everyone. The most important information I would like to share here. All the educational institutions except medical colleges closed in Telangana starting from tomorrow, that is 24th March 2021, due to increase in the coronavirus cases among the students and residential schools in the recent past. As per the statement given by Hon'ble Education Minister Smt Sabita Indra Reddy in Assembly today, all the education institutions will be closed from 24th March 2021 due to increase in the cases of coronavirus. Right? Further, I will be sharing with you an order issued by the government. So, as per the government of Telangana order, that is abstract has been shared. GO number 67 dated 23/3/21, that is today's. All the education institutions, private, government in the state of Telangana except medical college shall remain closed till further orders. Online distance learning will continue as earlier. Right? This is by the order in the name of government of Telangana. So this kind of an abstract letter even issued by the government of Telangana. So all the education institutions are closed from tomorrow and online classes will continue as earlier, right? So students, don't get panic, take it as positive. Cases are increasing, so be safe and be comfortable and learn from home and be safe at your home. Do follow all the government norms and rules and regulations to avoid the infection from coronavirus. So thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel Mentor the Trusted Guide. The objective of this channel is to provide quality information to the students and student community, especially in the jurisdictions of Usmania University, and subject related videos and all other videos you can find in my channel. Right? So this channel's objective is to make the education accessible to each and every individual. All the best. Do watch my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.